Hey fam, this is Equilla Marie of Equilla Marie Creative, and this video is about using collage techniques to put together your best 2021 vision board ever. So if that interests you, then stay tuned. So you're probably asking why. Well, why, Equilla, do we need to use collage techniques in our vision board? Don't we just cut out pictures and glue them on and go with whatever our goals are for the year? Yes, that is true. But if this is something that you're creating that you want to look at every day, you want to be inspired by, when you look at it, you want to be energized, don't you want to put together something that's a little pleasing to the eye? So if that's true, I want to give you my top 4 tips on putting together the most creative, artistic vision board ever. And it's not going to take that much effort, just a little tweaking to your normal process. So before I jump into our top 4 tips, let me just give you a suggestion on the categories. Now you can definitely take a look at some other videos and it will suggest all the things that you need to think about in creating your goals. But this video is really to tell you how to compose your pictures on your board, all right? But some of the suggestions as far as categories I would suggest that I normally use, you could talk about goals for your spirituality. You can talk about goals for your health. Another category would be goals for your personal development. And then the last category would be goals for your business or career area. So those are some tips as far as suggested categories. But again, I'm going to give you some tips to make sure you put all those things together on a beautiful creative board. All right. So the first tip that I would give you in putting together a beautiful, creative, inspiring board is to add color. I don't know about you, but color just does something. Now, in the past, I've been one of those ones to wear black, and I love my black staples in my closet. But color just does something. So this year, I'm actually pledging not to wear any black. Now, I'm not gonna throw away my black jeans, but I'm not gonna try to wear any black. But do the same in your vision board. Add some little colors of pink or some reds or some blues. Anything that inspires you. It may go along with your brand aesthetics, but add some color to your board, all right? So the second tip I would say is make sure you're incorporating large and small imagery. All right, so I'm going to give you an example, a time lapse at the end of this video that shows you some of the pieces that I would cut out. So if something inspires you, I love clocks, all right? So that just kind of helps inspire me to stay on time, to make sure that I'm setting my alarm to do certain tasks within a certain time period. So I would cut out clocks. Or if you love flowers, cut out large or small flowers to incorporate along with your goals and the words on your board, all right? But you can also cut out images. So it may be some photographs that you see in a magazine. You can cut out a large or small person. If it's something regarding your health, you can cut out someone who's exercising to just kind of give you that feeling to be energized as far as reminding you to stick with your daily health goals. So I want to encourage you to make sure you're using large and small images in your vision board. All right. So number 3, I would say, is use words. Words are so powerful. So I'm not sure if some of you have used affirmations, but words like powerful, strong, beautiful, those are the words that when you say them, when you read them every day, they just give you the courage and the confidence to move on. So I would encourage you to look through the magazines or whatever information that you're using to find those words that inspire you. All right. And lastly, before we get to our time lapse, I would say if you cannot find a word that you're looking for, then cut out the letters to make that word. So something that I put in my collage is I put prayer, power, and purpose. So I didn't find those words, but I know I wanted to include that into my vision board. So again, I would challenge you to cut little letters out or big letters in bold type that would allow you to create the words that you want to communicate on your vision board. All right. So with those 4 top tips, I just wanted to inspire you, get your wheels thinking about what you can create. And I have a time lapse for you to show you a sample of one of the vision boards that I put together. So stay tuned. I hope you enjoy. you so much for watching today's video. I just hope this video inspired you to continue to be creative every day. And if you have not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I am looking to build a community of individuals who would love to be inspired and just be creative every day. So click that subscribe button and check out some of my other videos on my channel. Until next time, bye.